Saturday, the 4th of, the 3rd of February, and we came to a huge place. It's an Oakville place for butter tart and craft market. And it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning, and the show is running from 10 o'clock. And it looks like we are the only visitors are here, and there's no cars around. Quite surprising, because usually if the show is organized properly, it should be like at least a couple of cars around and a couple of visitors. So we'll go and check what's going on. I don't see any signs for the market show, and actually this is what they put, the address they put on, and it's locked. It's quite interesting. It's quite interesting. So we are going around just to find out another door, and it's kind of ridiculous because they're supposed to be open at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. And it's not a mistake, it's whatever they put in advertisement on Facebook page. And we came to the back, and there's nothing here. Nobody, just us. Yeah. Just wondering, is this a fake show? It's a scammers? They collected money from vendors and then disappeared? Or I don't know. I mean, it's never happened in my life like that. And of course, I'm not a vendor. I'm just a visitor, and I follow the instructions. But it's very surprising. So the place we were is there, and actually it's across the highway, and it's called Oakville Place. So it's a shopping plaza. So the address they put in advertisement and Facebook and link to Google Map was wrong. And thank God we found, and we are here in 2 minutes of drive, going all around the highway. So this was the biggest mistake, and very unpleasant things. And it's not plus for organizers, it's minus. So finally we are here, and here's the show. Maybe for regular visitors it's okay to know where the show is, but for the first visitor it was a little bit complicated to find the show and the location. Anyway, we are here. If this is a show, then actually now, yeah, it's a lot of cards. Hi. So this is a show, the market here?
Yeah. So there's center markets as well as butter tarts.
Okay. And it's also some crafts and some cookies. Hi. And the location is actually good because there are a lot of visitor customers. But I've never been in such location and environments before. Hi. And people are buying and having coffee and buying some stuff, and here's some jewelry, which is nice. This is the different type of jewelry, and more award-winning butter tarts. This is the winners. Has tons of butter tarts. Maybe we'll buy something. And this is another location. So quite a big event, as I can see. We have more tarts here, and we have coffee here, standishes. We have here some stuff. And more tarts. Tons of tarts, $4 each or 6 for $20, which is not bad. So we definitely will take something home. But it's difficult to choose because they have so many different types of tarts. We have plain and raisin and pecan. Hello. We're just looking through, and then we'll decide what to buy. Because the choices are huge. The choices are wow. It's a winning. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, this event definitely brings a lot of customers,
I used to watch that.
and of course it's place where you can sell some other stuff like your crafts or jewelry or some other things. But of course, the main concentration is on tarts, different types of butter tarts. So,
Do you wish?
yes, so
So we're 40 minutes west.
Yeah, I know where that is.
and I noticed that food markets are very popular now, and we have a lot of food vendors. It means it's not so difficult to get a license and sell some food products. And I was reading some conditions. Oh, here we have some jewelry stuff.
Fernanda, you've got my card.
Yeah, and yes, hi. Yeah. Some crafts here. As you can see, it's a beautiful venue. It's a lot of light and a lot of customers, a lot of visitors. It's free for visitors, for customers. And I don't know actually the price for vendors. And we have more here, like a lot of stuff. And we have a lot of winners. As you can see, a lot of winners. And we have some entertainment here. Oh, and actually it's not the end. I still have here a lot. For me, it's very difficult to choose this baking stuff. I want to buy something. Oh, hi. Wow. Beautiful. I want to buy something, but I need to choose what I would like to buy. Pizzas and
Gluten-free, gluten-full pizza.
yeah, thank you.
And treats the same.
There's so
You
many
look like you need a treat.
vendors, my eyes just like
I know.
so we're going around and then we'll be coming back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so a lot of baking stuff. A lot of baking stuff. And your favorite tarts. It's your favorite tarts, okay. And we have some sauces here. We have some bread here. Actually, I think we need to buy some bread because we don't have. No, it's not bread. It's actually some pies because we don't have breads. And I remember this couple. They were somewhere else at other show. So it's from farm. So they're selling sausages. And we have some music. Wonderful. So now it's time for us to choose what we're gonna buy and bring home. I don't know. I still don't know which one I want. It's so difficult to choose. So here you have nothing. What do you want? Nothing. Okay. Well, this is like experience we have here, and so you have idea how the venue is and how it's organized and how many food vendors we have here. Probably 30, I guess, maybe 40, and some other vendors. Well, I don't know what's the price of the fee for a vendor, but I can ask actually and figure out. So, and then it's time to think if we would like to participate in this kind of events or not. Probably like I need to think how much stuff I can sell. But as you can see, a lot of shoppers, a lot of visitors. So something positive, and we'll see. We're done for today, and we bought two different type of butter tarts, raspberry raisin and pecan, my favorite one, and we're heading home because nothing else we need. And anyway, so this is like our experience. We learned something. I talked to some vendors. We discussed the prices and the amount of customers. So Like, you know, in some way I'm very happy we came here and learned something. So I wish you a wonderful weekend. Subscribe to my channel and write your comments, and see you in next video. Bye bye.